In today's video, we're going to be continuing the renovation and extension of this 1980s red brick detached house. We're going to be digging the foundations, propping and pinning the back of the house to prepare for structural steelwork, and pouring the concrete foundations. Now, let's get straight into the digging.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Here, as you can see, we have our acros and pins going through the wall. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, which will be holding all of this above. And then we're going to work on just removing the blockwork underneath, and then we're left with our opening. Then we've got a steel that will be going, a leg will be going up that side. The steel carries across all the weight, and another leg back down. There's all this drilled out, ready for concrete. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to follow along in the series of the renovation of this house. And click here to watch the first video of us demolishing this house.